I'm gonna start off with a So, I'm going to start off with my drugstore primer. This primer I get from the beauty supply. It's called the Pro Touch Hydrating Primer. And it's mainly for people with, I'm not going to start off with my primer. Why the fuck would I start off with my primer when I haven't done my brows? What are you doing, sis? I'm like... Okay, take 3, sis. So, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I'm just going to outline these brows right quick. I don't do much to my brows. I use a drugstore lip pencil to just make them a little darker. That's all I do. I don't do nothing spiffy, none of that high quality shit. I just use a regular black pencil. It's nice and it's blended and this is as good as it's gonna be and it's gonna get. So, ooh. That's it for the brows. Okay, so next, I'm just gonna let that get a little tacky because I don't set my, whatever they call it, I don't set that. I never planned to set it. I don't think it's good for me. I feel like it make my eyelids dry and my eyelids do not pick up the color as good as it should. So I'm gonna go in with this Rimmel highlighter contour in color kit by Kate, and honestly this was like $2 at Walgreens. They had a sale, so I'm gonna go in with this. It's like very cute. It has a little brown, a little pink, and a little shimmer. So this is what I'm gonna use on my lid, as well as another color I'm gonna show you. So first I'm gonna give me a little blending brush and I'm gonna dig into this brown right here, get it nice and coated, and I'm just gonna go in the middle and just, you know, I'm gonna go in with that brown from the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And honestly, this palette is like $8. And this has lasted me like 3 years. So if you don't have this palette, you should really get it. It lasts, and if you don't have the, you know, the coins to buy a palette from Sephora or the Anastasia palette, this is a great dupe. So just get this palette and you'll be good. You'll be good, sis. I'm hitting paying, but honey, it's lasted 3 years. It's worth my coins. Honey, I'm trying to look cute. I'm trying to look booked and busy, but I ain't trying to look no damn bird. So I ain't about to put no big ass lashes on my lid so I look like I'm about to fly away. So I'm going to get these $8 lashes from Walmart. You get 5 sets for $8. They're wispies and they make your eye pop. So this contour palette my mom got me for Christmas, and honestly, honey, this is the best thing she's ever brought me. Like, honestly, like, I could not understand how she found something so cheap, like from TJ Maxx or the stores like that really matched my skin tone. Like, I really wasn't expecting that from this palette because it's so cheap. So I was very happy when I found this contour shade. It just brightened me up and matches my undertone. Like, come on now. So if you're looking for a good contour palette, go to Marshall or go to TJ Maxx. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something that's like very cute and very matching. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. It's a very bronze look, and I like it. It's cute. You know, a little something to match your skin tone, bring your melanin out. There's nothing wrong with that. And this twist out on this, whatever this hairdo, this three strand twist out would definitely be posted on my channel before this one, so make sure y'all go check that out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I tried to make it interactive, but I like voiceovers, so I'm just gonna stick to what I know, you know. But yes, honey, am I serving or am I not? What am I doing? Am I doing it? Am I killing it? Am I cute? Am I cute up close, honey? Am I it?